Hi, in this video we are going to see the free AICTE sponsored online 2-week faculty development program guys, and you are going to get the certificate for this program also. So it is really a good news to all the faculty members who are working in the colleges guys. Why? Because here there is no restriction to one specified department. Why? Because nowadays all the college faculty has to involve in the work of a NAC accreditation as well as the NBA accreditation. So for such type of process, this workshop will be very much helpful to you guys. So that's why I am telling that here all the faculty members utilize this opportunity. Why? Because it is completely free of cost. You need not to pay anything guys. And here if you successfully completed this 2 weeks of FTP from the AICTE, you are going to get the certificate also. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding this 2 weeks faculty development program, free, online and certificate available. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. And now while coming to the present content of the video, so it is a brochure from the institute guys. So you may check down in this brochure that it is Velamal Institute of Technology. So 35 years, it is NBA accredited as well as a NAC accreditation is also there. So from this college, the Department of Computer Science and Engineering as well as Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science is conducting the AICTE sponsored online 2-week faculty development program phase number 3. So here the topic is effective teaching learning towards outcome based education, and the duration is also mentioned here, 14th June 2021 to 26th June 2021. So all the interested candidates from all the different colleges, faculty members can apply for this one guys. There is no restriction to one specified specialization department only has to participate here. So it is nowadays it is very most important FTP also, because your college has to, as per the UGC mandate, by 2022 or 21 the colleges has to be at least accredited with the NAC. So for such type of NAC or the NBA work, this FTP will be very much helpful to you. So regarding the college is given here, and advisory committee is also mentioned. So chief patron as well as a patron and co-patrons, convener and the coordinator. Fine. And the last date for registration is 11th June 2021, and the intimation of acceptance is 12th June 2021 via email itself. And the dates of faculty development program, total 12 days guys, via online platform. So you need not to go physically to any one of the college or the place to attend the EFTP program. By simply sitting in your home itself, you can attend this one. So it is completely 12 days of faculty program guys. And coming to the registration, so here the registration link is given here. I will show you the details regarding this registration link at the end of this video. So in this faculty development program, what you are going to get is that the outcome based education is a student centered instructional model that focuses on measuring the student performance through outcomes. And outcomes include not just the knowledge aspect but also skill and attitude that is expected from a graduating student. So further, the focus is not just an evaluation expected outcome of the program upon the graduation, but also even after graduation, how the education is going to impact on their career. That is also very important. And this FTP will also helpful to fulfill the training needs of teaching as prescribed by the AICTE. Fine. And what are the objectives? To create awareness in the faculty members about outcome-based education system, to allow institution to access the students' achievements rapidly, leading to increase the movement of students, and to make the students to understand what is expected of them, and teachers will know what they need to teach during the course, and to increase the student involvement and to feel responsible for their own learning, and they should learn more through the individual learning, and to implement various innovative teaching earning methods, and to understand the implementation of outcome based education in the NBA process, that is an NBA accreditation process. So here who can participate? All the faculty members and the administrators of the college adopting or interested in adopting the outcome based education model, or invited to attend the program, and the registration should be done through the link provided. The selection will be based upon the first come first serve guys, and will be intimated. Participation certificates also you will get, okay, will be issued to all the participants who completed the faculty development program respectively. And what are the topics those are covered in this FTP are program outcomes defining the course outcomes, what is the context of Bloom's taxonomy, and the contemporary pedagogical tools for the effective course delivery, and the teaching learning practices, critical thinking, what about the rubrics and how to prepare that one, best practices to continuously improve the quality of program, and attainment of program outcomes, continuing education, and the document preparation for the NBA or the SER accreditation. Fine. So these are the details regarding this one guys. And coming to the key speakers are given here. So here Vineet George from IIT Hyderabad, okay, and a professor from Department of CSE, NITTR Chandigarh, and associate professor from Department of EC. So here so many speakers are there, so that you are going to get very good concept or the knowledge regarding the outcome based education, so which will be very much helpful for the accreditation process work guys. So utilize this opportunity. And coming to the link, so okay, you just click on this link and then you will be directed to this Google Forms guys. So here you need not to pay anything, okay, so fill up these details. Here the objectives of this program is also given here, so you may check down, and the email as well as salutation, okay, so what is your salutation, and next what is the name, so gender, designation, department, your institution, and your contact number as well as the WhatsApp number and Aadhaar number as well as highest qualification and the total experience, and your institution is located in which city and which state and which country, and update your institute ID card, okay, and then click on the submit button. Fine, that's it. So by this process you can finish up the application process for this FTP, and the further notification you will get through the email guys, okay. Anyhow, the FTP program is going to start from 14th June onwards, and it ends on 26th June. So total it is 12 days of FTP program, and it is completely free of cost, and you will get the participation certificate also, which will be very much helpful to you guys. Fine. So don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues, which will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows, so listen guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of Electronic Science as well as the General Paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses guys, okay. And from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge, okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link, okay. So whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes, Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one, and just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the, almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6-month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. And this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.